map given below. So in your workbook, this kind of map is given in your question number 21. So that map I am drawing, and whichever questions are given, so that we have to solve by reading this map, means by observing this map. So I am drawing that map first of all. It is given like this, and few points are given. I think you are having 4 points in this map. Here it is given D, here it is given C. This one is E, and this one is B. These 4 points, one more point is given exactly in the middle part. This is the A point. And as per the point, this all the distance are given. So B and A, means between A and B, the distance is given. This is 30 kilometer. Means this distance is 30 kilometer. Now between A and C points, means this distance is of 15 kilometer. This between A and E, these 2 points, the distance is given 20 kilometer. And this A and B, between B and A, the distance is given 25 kilometer. So now as per this information from the map, we have to find the answers. So your question number 1 is, question number 1, how far is village? How far is village B from village A? And we have to find the answer of this question. I think you must have observed this map, right? That as I explained that 5 points we are having. A to E means A, B, C, D, E. This A point is given in the middle part. And these 4 points are given at the top of the edge of the line. So now we have to find the answer as per these points and distance between them. So how far is village B? So village B is here. And village A. So village A is exactly in the center point. So what is the distance between this A and B village? That we have to write. So already we are having this measurement that 25 kilometer is the distance. So 25 kilometer is our answer, right? Now number 2. What is the distance between village B and village C? What is the distance between village B and village C? So that also we have to find. What is the distance between B and C village? So we can able to see that B to C, from this B point to C point, this whole distance we need to cover. That means we have to take this 25 kilometer, means B to A and A to C. So we will make addition of B to A distance and of A to C distance. Then only we will get the total distance between B and C. So 25 kilometer plus 15 kilometer we will make add. So directly these are the very small numbers. So you can write, you can make addition like this way. 25 kilometer plus 15 kilometer. Or else you can do in this rough space this addition like this way. So you will get answer 40, right? So 40 kilometer is your answer. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is given like same way, but the points are given different. What is the distance between village A and village B? Village A and village D. So same, this question 3 is same like the question number 2, but the points are given, the village points are given different, right? So village A and village D, this distance we need to find. So we can able to check that A and D means this is very small distance between A to D, means between A and D. So A to D already we have written that it is 30 kilometer. So directly we can write that 30 kilometer is the distance, right? Now question number 4. It is very easy task and you can do by yourself also with the different points and different distance. Number 4. What is the distance between village E and village D? What is the distance between village E and village D? So, village E and village D, first of all we have to observe the map. Village D is located here and village D is located here. That means this whole distance we need to cover. Means two measurement, two distance we need to make, add this A to D and A to E. So 30 plus 20 kilometer. 30 kilometer plus 20 kilometer, it's very simple addition. 50 kilometer is your answer of this fourth number. Now number 5, question is given. How much distance do, now these questions are very different. How much distance do Mehul have to cover? Mehul have to cover if he wants to go, if he wants to go from village E to village B through village A. Village A. See, first of all you have to read the question very carefully and then you can get the answer. How much distance do Mehul have to cover if he wants to go from village E to village B through village A? See, this is your question and which village points are given. Village E and village B as well as village A. He want to go village E to village B through village A. That means Mehul wants to pass out of this to this point, means E to B, but through the A point, right? Means means he wants to pass from to A and B. So this whole distance we have to cover. So E to A distance we are having, that is 20 kilometers. So we can write E to A and A to B. A to B, this distance is 25 kilometers. So we have to just make the addition 20 plus 25. So we will get 45 as answer. 45 kilometer is the answer. Question number 6 is, how much distance do Sunil have to cover if he wants to go from village C to village D to village A? Same like the question number 5. Sunil wants to go from village C to village D, means from C to D, but through village A, means from this way he wants to go. So for that we need to cover the distance of C to A, kilometer plus 15 kilometer. We will make add 30 kilometer plus 15 kilometer. So we will get answer of this number, which is 45 kilometer. Again I am speaking, it's 30 kilometer and 15 kilometer. So we will get answer 45 kilometer. Now the last question, number 7. Which distance is more for Pradeep? Which distance is more for Pradeep? And another one is in that only, village B to village C, village B to village C, or village D to village E. Question mark. And how much? This is little bit different. See what we have to find in this last number. First of all, we have to read the question very carefully. Which distance is more for Pradeep? Village B to village C or village D to village E? So first of all, we need to find the answer. This answer of this question, that B to village C, what is the distance between village B to village C and what is the distance between village D to village E? So let's find it. First we will find the distance between village B to C. Village B to C. So village B to C means this distance. So 25 plus 15. So already we have done this addition in the previous number. If 25 kilometer and 15 kilometer we will make add, so we will get answer 40 kilometer. 25 plus 15. So we will get addition of this number is 40 kilometer. But this we have find just for the B to C only. Now we have to find the distance between D and E. D and E means this. This also we have already find it. 30 plus 20. So 50 we have find it, right, in the previous number. So village D to E. So that we can write 30 kilometer plus 20 kilometer is equals to 50 kilometer. Understand? Now this is not our final answer. What we have to find, which distance is more for Pradeep? This or this, which already we have find. So obviously this is 40 kilometer and this is 50 kilometer. So 50 kilometer is the more for the Pradeep, means between D to E, right? And last question is given that how much? How much means how much more distance is for the Pradeep. So for this we can do one thing, that from 50 kilometer we can subtract 40 kilometer. So we will get our final answer. So 50 kilometer minus 40 kilometer, from big we are subtracting small. So 50 minus 40. So obviously answer is very easy. 10 kilometer we will get. That means this is our final answer. Means 10 kilometer more Pradeep have to cover, right? So I hope that all you have understood this video very well, and this question number 21, in which we have to just observe the map and we have to give the answers, right? So I hope that all you have understood this video very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.